Happy Valentine's Day. We're eating a dreamsicle. Ready? My little dress. Tell Dad. My little V-Day dress. Tell him. See, this is all for you, Dad. Something stuck to Mom's finger. Oh my God. Freaking out, man. Chloe. Hi. What are you doing? Tell Dad, say. Dad, you know what? You need to come get us. Tell him. Smile if you love your daddy. Do you miss him? Tell me. We're girls. We gotta talk about these things. I miss him. But he's mean to me. He's not mean to you. Chloe. Take your hand out of your mouth. Hey, little girl. Tastes good. What was that? Was it good? You want some more? Whoa. Whoa.